Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. Today, we're slicing right through all the marketing noise of the 2026 AI landscape to figure out exactly which tool you should actually be using for your daily workflows. We are tossing the hype out the window and looking strictly at the data. Let's get into it.
So here is the big question. Right now, everyone claims their flagship model, whether it's GPT-5, Claude 4, or Gemini 2.5, is the absolute best thing on the market. But does the real-world data actually support a single definitive winner? Well, let's find out.
Okay, on paper, these top-tier models look basically identical. Take a standard benchmark like code generation, for example. GPT-5 scores a 92.3%. Gemini 2.5 is right behind it at 91.1%, and Claude 4 sits at 89.7%. It creates this crazy illusion of benchmark supremacy, right? Where companies are claiming total victory over literally fractions of a percent.
But here's where it gets super interesting, the human element. Despite the billions of dollars poured into these models, a comprehensive late 2025 survey of nearly 400 active users showed that user satisfaction for Claude, ChatGPT, and DeepSeek is, well, statistically indistinguishable. They are all hovering right around a 3.8 out of 5 satisfaction rating. It's basically a dead heat.
And this leads us to a really crucial point. Users aren't locking themselves into just one ecosystem anymore. A massive 82.4% of active users are actually doing what we call multi-homing. That means they are keeping 2 or more of these AI platforms open and using them simultaneously all day long.
The platform distribution data illustrates this reality perfectly. The vast majority of people are juggling 2, 3, or even 4 different AI platforms. Power users are treating these tools as interchangeable, highly specialized utilities, rather than sticky, winner-take-all platforms.
Section 1. Real-world use cases. Let's talk about actual execution. GPT-5 is just an absolute speed demon for autonomous coding. It can spit out a complex React component with state management in just 18 seconds. Insane, right? But on the flip side, Gemini 2.5 totally crushes massive multimodal tasks. In one real-world test, it perfectly summarized a 45-minute conference video while cross-referencing an attached PDF slide deck, all from a single prompt.
Meanwhile, you've got Claude 4, which really shines in enterprise automation and writing. If you need to draft a formal quarterly report, or maybe a sensitive client email explaining a delivery delay, Claude effortlessly nails that natural conversational style without sounding like generic corporate speak. Plus, it has constitutional AI built in, basically a set of safety rules preventing problematic outputs, making it a super safe bet for sensitive business data.
Which brings us to Section 2, the ultimate fallback strategy.
Because no single AI is perfect for every task, the secret sauce for peak productivity in 2026 is building a strategic toolkit. Mix and match. You could pair Claude as your primary writer with a cheap Gemini API fallback for chewing through large documents. Or maybe run GPT 5.5 as your primary for lightning-fast creative tasks, while keeping Claude 4.6 handy for secure, agentic coding across your project files. And hey, if you basically live in Google Workspace, make Gemini your primary, but definitely keep Claude Pro on deck to cover those agentic coding gaps. At the end of the day, that one perfect model to rule them all, yeah, it's a myth. The real winner in 2026 is the user who strategically combines these specialized tools to supercharge their unique daily workflow. So I'll leave you with this. Are you going to keep waiting around for the perfect AI, or are you ready to start building your ultimate multi-tool workflow today?